Let's try to fix issues with mobile data not working properly on a Nothing Phone 3A. So first and foremost, we're gonna go to the settings and let's choose network and internet. Of course, we want to make sure that the airplane mode is disabled. Sometimes we turn it on by accident and we forget about it, or we don't even notice. So make sure that it is disabled. The next thing that we can do is, for example, turn off data saver. If you enable it in the past, just turn it off and check if it works. And also we can go, for example, to maybe not VPN but private DNS and make sure that it is set to automatic. Next we can go to SIMs and make sure that the SIM card that you intend to use for mobile data is enabled. And then also over here in the preferred SIMs, if you have this option, you want to make sure that mobile data is actually using the correct SIM card. You can also go to the SIM and check if, for example, the data roaming is either set to disable or national roaming only. So if you have this option set to national roaming only and it doesn't work, you might want to set it to disable. If it's not working while you have this option set to disable, then of course switch back to national roaming only. You can also go to data warning and limit and make sure that the data limit is not enabled, although I'm pretty sure if the data limit disables your mobile data, you can still turn it back on by yourself. And we also have the preferred network type, which can be set to 5G, for example. So just give it a try, set it to 5G. If you switch it to, for example, 4G before, switch to 5G and check if this helps. And you can do the same thing with Smart 5G. If you actually use it, then try to disable it and then check if the mobile data is working after that. I believe these options over here should not really interfere with mobile data, but essentially you can also try to disable VoLTE calls and Wi-Fi calling as well. But like I said, I don't think they really matter that much. And I think this is everything that we can do. And of course, here we have mobile data, so make sure that this option is enabled. Make sure that this option is enabled. The mobile data is enabled in your SIM card settings. And if none of this helps, if you still have issues with mobile data, then there's also one more thing that you can do. So we're gonna go back to the main menu of settings. Here we want to scroll down to System, then go to Reset Options, and choose Reset Mobile Network Settings. Make sure that the correct SIM card is selected over here and press Reset Settings and confirm your choice. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Once you see this message, we can go back to the settings. Let's scroll up to Network and Internet, go to SIMs and just double check if the SIM card is enabled that you intend to use and the correct SIM card is also selected for mobile data. Let's go back to the settings of the SIM card and first and foremost make sure that mobile data is actually enabled over here. And that is essentially it. This is everything that we can do in order to try to solve this issue on Nothing Phone 3A. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!